To use, simply place the metal insert into the base. Then, turn the base upside down and place onto a flat surface. Place the O-ring onto the O-ring insertion tool until the O-ring is seated firmly on the tool. Place the O-ring insertion tool into the base and press firmly. This will seat the O-ring onto the O-ring insertion. Place the base the right side up. Put the O-ring on the combustion tube, rolling it up high enough so that the combustion tube can sit on the metal insert. Place the plastic clip inside the ring collar. Slide the collar on top of the combustion tube and press it down firmly until the O-ring seals. Then, while pressing, turn and tighten the ring collar. The system is now ready to use. For more information about our company and products, please visit www.elementalmicroanalysis.com.